Hey guys, it's Chris Haskins here with the realestateroundup.com, hanging out with DeLawrence. What's up?
What's up?
Hey, we're here at our latest rehab, 1338 Van Ness Court. We're going to show you a quick walkthrough of the before and show you what we're going to do, so come on inside. Do some landscaping here. Fix those windows up there. Wrap this with some metal wrap so you don't have to touch it ever again. New door. As you walk in, oh good. New door there. As you're walking in, you'll see there's a little section here before you. What we're going to do, we're going to make this all tile. I'm going to put a wall here with my arch. Put a wall here to define the dining area. So this is all going to be the dining area. Walk in, little wall here, arch going on there. Coming in the kitchen here. We're going to do new floor tile here. Going to rip all this new floor tile. Going to rip out everything in the kitchen here. All new kitchen cabinets. Granite countertops. Here's where the refrigerator goes. There is no washer, there's no water connection here. We're going to put a water line for the ice maker. Standard microwave over the oven. Dishwasher will go there. This is going to be your living room here. And as always, we'll always put a fan in the living room. These doors are fine. This cheap floor, we're going to rip this floor up. I don't know what type of material this is, but it's cheap. We're going to put the carpet here. See there. And this here is going to be ceramic tile. So all coming in here, when you come through the front door, you walk through the front door, the tile is going to come all the way to here. We're going to put tile in there. And tile in the bathroom, you can't even see. Can you see that there?
Here you go.
Okay. Tile in there too. And this thing here is old. You can see it's rusted and corroded down here. So we're gonna put, I don't know what happened there. We're gonna put new hot water heater, new air handler here, go right upstairs. And it already comes with washer box and a dryer line, so we don't have to worry about that. Thank goodness, that's gonna save us a couple dollars right there. All right, now you see the closet doors. I think these are 8 foot, I believe. We're going to frame this down to make the closet doors more standard, which is going to save us a couple of dollars. These are made out of metal. It's the old school stuff. But we're actually going to just keep these windows here. These windows are fine. Clean them up real nice. Come on upstairs. This has to be kind of, we got to nail it in there. Re-secure it. I'm going to show you this one thing in the rear bedroom. You can see there was some water damage here. That's from the roof leaking. What we're going to do, roof will be re-roofed, so we won't have to worry about that. New windows here, you see these windows are just old and they're leaking. So there will be a new window there. Now, I want you to remember this closet here, because when we get to the master bedroom, I'm going to show you how we're going to extend this closet to put another bathroom in there. So this closet is going to come out about 14 inches. All right, just remember that when we're going to the bathroom. How much time we at, Dave?
3 minutes,
okay.
40 seconds.
3 minutes. This bathroom's fine, you can't see it, but all we're going to do here is change out the vanity and the toilet. This is the master bedroom here. This here, I don't know why they did this, but we're going to make this the master closet. I'm going to put closet doors here. It's going to be walk-in, and you got some storage space here. I'm going to put the mirror doors on here so you can see yourself when you're getting dressed in the morning. Keep those windows. All new floor top, all new carpet. And this is where the master bathroom is going to be. You come in, you have your vanity here, toilet, and remember that wall. Can you see me at all?
Mm-hmm.
Remember that wall? This wall is going to go into that rear bedroom. I'm going to put the walk-in shower here. Nice walk-in shower head. It's going to be a brand new master bathroom for you. And we're going to be keeping you updated as we go along, doing a day-by-day process with video. This is Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. Thank you very much.
See ya.